In this video, I will show you how to schedule posts on X. First of all, open any browser and head over to your X platform. If you haven't logged into your X account yet, you will be prompted to do so. Go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. If you are already logged in, you will be taken directly to your X dashboard. Once you are here, at the top you will see a section to write something like what's happening. This is where you will create the content for your post. Here, add whatever you want. It can be a post or any update. Once done, then click on the calendar icon here. After that, a window will open where you can schedule the post. First, click on the dialog box named as month and select the month that you want. Likewise, select day and year. Next, under the time section, select your preferred hours, minutes, and AM or PM to indicate whether the post should go live in the morning or in the afternoon. Once you are done, click on the confirm option at the top right corner of the window. Then click on schedule. You will see a notification on the screen that your post has been successfully scheduled for the specific date and time that you selected. And this is how you can schedule posts on X.